So now you've improved your user experience. For those who haven't, here's a video on how to do just that. Now, those still here, these are tactics on how to actually maintain that great user experience. Let's get into it. Number 1. A/B testing. This involves testing one or more components of your design simultaneously and keeping the one or ones that perform the best. For example, in a platform app, you may want to test whether implementing a social feed improves retention rates, and whether it does or doesn't, you'll choose based on the data that you've gathered. Number 2. Design sprints. Design sprints are a 5-stage process focused on diagnosing and treating a design issue, or just implementing a new design feature to begin with. Now, these 5 stages are as follows. It is idea, build, launch and learn. Now, the idea and learn phase are then repeated until the optimal user experience is created. Number 3. Research and analytics. Now, this is something that should be implemented at all times, and this means to look at data gathered from your customers on a regular basis. Now, to actually take this a step further, you could interpret this data to improve your user experience. Here's a video on how to do just that. Number 4. Usability testing. Now, when you actually implement a new feature or something to do with your design, you need to make sure that your customers actually want this. So why not go right to the source? Now, you can do that with usability testing. You go right to the people who actually make up your business. This allows you to find out what their actual needs are. Now, understanding your users' needs is essential to improve your user experience and for exponential growth within your business. If you're still struggling to maintain your great user experience, it may be due to a multitude of reasons. These could include the market shifting, the end of your product lifecycle, an outdated user interface, or just not meeting the correct user needs. If any of the terms I mentioned in this video were confusing to you, then please leave a comment below and I will be sure to make a video on that in the future. Thank you for listening and learning. This has been Baron Erish from Root of Innovation, and bye.